सह शनये नमः. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hi everyone, this is Vinay. I welcome you all once again to my YouTube channel Astrologic. In this channel, as you are aware, I regularly post videos related to astrology. However, today for the first time I am posting a video on mental wellness and success. A new concept called NLP. So I'm going to talk about it. Uh, this concept is also, at the core level is definitely linked to astrology, which I'm going to clarify at a little later stage. So as I said, I'm going to introduce you to a topic called Neuro Linguistic Programming, or NLP. This is a unique tool, in modern science, which can be used for overall development of self and achieve our long-term goals, okay, without much difficulties. This concept is also the pillar of what we call as law of attraction, or LOA, right? So law of attraction again is a very interesting and useful concept. Through law of attraction, one can achieve desired goals, again without much difficulty. But since NLP is the building block of law of attraction, today I would be starting with NLP. Okay. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos, which I am going to post from time to time. Okay, so friends, let's get started. In our life, we either move ahead or we get stuck with our goals, right? So this depends on what we call as our communication. Okay, so few things which I'm going to talk about from now on for a few minutes, right? So they are at a very core level, very important. So you can pay maximum attention right in the beginning. So quality of our life, right, is defined by quality of our communication. So when we talk about communication, we are talking about two types of communication here. One is the communication with self, and another is the communication with others. The communication with self, right? So let's pick it up first. So whatever we communicate with self from one time to another time, and when we move from one situation to another situation or event or incident, right? So it is always there with us. So whatever we communicate to self, right, it gets recorded in our mind. So meaning what happens is we witness certain outside events or incidents, and then we start forming a perception on whether what went is right or wrong, right? So there can be a situation where in similar situations different people may react differently, right? So one person can be delightful and another person can be depressed or angry with the same situation, right? So now what is the reason for this? If you closely look at it, it boils down to how each person is communicating to self about that particular event, right? So it is actually possible to convert this self communication in a way that you can be calm instead of getting depressed or angry about the situation or event. So and the resources to manipulate the way you react and you stay calm, so those resources is actually available with us. Okay, so what are those resources? We're going to talk about it. This communication to self, right? So it always determines how far you go or progress in your life. Even your happiness index is dependent on this particular self communication. The more positive this communication is, the more happy, strong and determined you will become. The second type of communication is, as I said before, is what we do with others. Like for example, between you and me, between me and you, right? So we are all known to be social animals. As we know, we have to communicate with other people. There will be a need to improve relationships with people, build our career, right? Build our relationships, so on and so forth. So the second type of communication is also very important for us. This communications decides our relationship with family or other people, how our professional growth is going to be, so on and so forth. Therefore, in reality, right, both types of communication which I spoke, whether it is to self, with self, or with others, it is going to decide our destiny. The more positive and better these two types of communication are, the sum total of this will result into a better destiny. Otherwise, please remember that this can also lead to disasters, right? So, if one wants to feel better, happy in life, and also ensure better social worthiness, we need to ensure that we gain mastery about these two types of communications. The good news is that we have ways and means to gain mastery over this. Okay. To master this, there is a tool called Neuro Linguistic Programming or NLP. By using NLP, you can learn programming and running your brain in a certain desired way. Not even your brain, even but also your body. You can even control, how your body also reacts to certain situations. So now let's look at NLP closely. Okay. So N stands for neuro in NLP, which is actually nothing but our brain. There are roughly about 80 billion neurons in our brain which are like memory houses. Okay, so these neurons are like memory houses or storerooms which keep programming and reprogramming with our experiences every day and what we feed them from time to time, how we perceive an event or an incident, how we create internal reality with respect to any incident or event. The secret is that the incident or the event doesn't have any strength. So remember this. Okay, the event or the incident doesn't have any strength or significance. It all depends on how you are perceiving it. uh, that is what matters the most. That is your communication with self, how you are communicating to yourself about that particular event which has happened, right? So NLP is all about manipulating or altering these senses so that you create a perception which is healthy and create a better inner reality, right? Now let's look at the second letter, which is L, right? So L stands for linguistic, which is nothing but how you speak to yourself and others. It is both verbal and non-verbal language, okay, that we use for this both types of this communication. When we talk about verbal, it's the word or phrases we use, and when it comes to non-verbal, it is nothing but what is your tonality, what is your facial expressions, your body language, your breathing system. It depends on all of this. So therefore, if you look at uh, working on changing both your verbal and non-verbal communication for better, it is going to reprogram and influence your neurons and therefore your brain, right? So the third and the last one is programming. So basically this is the term which is picked up from computer science, right, as most of us know. So it is basically that you know to learn and implant, right, any new strategy in your brain to develop wonderful behaviors and results in your life. So programming is basically to learn and implant any new strategies in your brain. Not only this, you will also learn on how to get rid of unwanted thoughts and erase memories which are not delightful or painful. You can actually reprogram your brain to remove all those negative memories, right? Unwanted stuff which we call as garbage. There are chances that you have incidents or memories from the past which were traumatic also, right? So there can be memories of failures, right? So sometimes when we fail, we carry those memories that may be bothering us. So you can get rid of all of this issues, right, by reprogramming your brain, and you can start achieving what you desire. So basically NLP is a tool using which you can control your mind, your language, and develop new desired patterns. So you can control your mind, your language to develop new desired patterns. So in today's world, whether it's Fortune 500 companies, teachers, students, athletes, right, celebrities, sportsmen, cricketers, professionals, executives, all of them, they have been using these kind of techniques to achieve their goals. So NLP is a human programming technique which helps us to reach peak performance in whichever field we are, provided that we have defined our core areas or have clarity in what we want in life, right, at any given point of time, at any given age, or at any given point of time. We should have clarity around what is that we want in life. It is very important to define your core area. It could be your health, it could be your career, your social standing, right? So it could be your financial destiny, it could be your relationship, it could be your mental and emotional strength, right? So it is important that we know where is that we want to apply these techniques for improving what. For last few years, I've been providing astrological and mental well-being guidance to people from all walks of life and all ages who approach me, right? So, and will continue to do that in coming days. You can always approach me whether it's astrological guidance or NLP related support. So to help you practically implement these NLP techniques, which I spoke about. So I just spoke about the concept today. I will continue to post videos with all key NLP and law of attraction techniques one by one, okay, in forthcoming videos, so that you can start using them in your day-to-day lives to achieve the goals you desire and deserve. So finally, I invite you to be part of this journey on my channel so that you can benefit and also contribute to the society by helping others in similar needs. So this is my message today. For the last 5 years, when I came, when I was introduced with this terminology of NLP and law of attraction, I've done a lot of research. I've read a lot of books, heard a lot of yogis and Zen masters, and I have experienced myself the benefits of practicing or implementing some of these techniques from NLP and law of attraction. So usually only when I test something, apply it on myself, experiment it, is when I bring it to people. So be rest assured, the concepts and the techniques really work, and we are going to talk more and more about it in my future videos. So this is my message for today. So with this message, I also pray that you have good health, relationships. May you prosper in your business, your career. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please ensure that you visit our website astrologic.in. You visit our Facebook page, Instagram page, Twitter page, and last but not the least, ensure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, right? So thank you very much once again. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.